anyways, guys, like I mentioned before, I am a beginner rider still. I've done about 1,400 miles maybe. Look at this guy. Look at this guy over here. Look at this guy. And so I'm still learning. I figured I need to do what, maybe about 10,000 miles before I'm not a beginner anymore, or you know, really comes down to experience. So yeah, so I'm still learning, trying to take the bike out as often as I can. And you know, I bought it for recreational use, so I'm not like needing to ride it on those days that are bad. But yeah, so definitely having fun with the bike. It's definitely built up my confidence. Definitely feel like I ride something bigger now. So we'll see what happens with that. But other than that, I still got a lot more practice to do. Elmer Thomas Park, 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. is when it's closed. Here's the new water. Look at these little prairie dogs right here. Can you see it? See if we get a better video of it later. But yeah, here's the park. That's family friendly park. So if you're ever coming through Lawton, Oklahoma, just stop here. They got the base here, Fort Sill, and then they got this park here, which you can see, look, they're building some water slide stuff over there. So that should be interesting. This looks huge what they're doing, but they're definitely fixing up this town. But they just built all this right here, all this playground area for the kiddies. Looks pretty cool. Looks big too. You can see, pretty interesting. Look, they even got a little cannon down there. That little cannon. Ooh, doesn't look that big, but not that slide. I wonder if it's gonna have any bigger ones. Little pavilion. They got this memorial thing. They got this memorial over here. Vietnam veterans. Yeah, pretty cool. Definitely check out. Look at that tank over there. The Forgotten War, Lawton Korean War Veterans Association, Chapter 319. Looks cool. Very interesting. Want to come by and check it out? We got this tank over here. What kind of tank is this? Anybody know? What kind of tank is this, guys? Because it's like a tank. Well, it's not a tank. It's just a cannon. I don't know. What is this? Is it a tank? How do you drive it? It's got a bulldozer. Doesn't say anything. I don't see any plaques. So I don't know. What do you guys think? What is this? How does it operate? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I figured that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I never went in there. I never like people telling me what to do. I left my mother's house. I ain't want nobody to tell me nothing.
Yeah, well.
I mean, I look back now, wish I had to listen to people, but I just never could stand people telling me what to do. Go do this. Why the hell you smarter than me? I gotta do it.
I needed a job, so that's why.
Yeah, I know, but that's how people look at it. I didn't look at it like that. That's a nice looking Honda, though.
Oh, appreciate it.
I thought it was a Harley at first.
No. Yeah. That's the lock it. Yeah, lock the lock the steering wheel. I mean the steering. There's no steering wheel.
It looked like you just got it. It looked brand new.
Got it last About a year ago.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I ain't got no dust or nothing except on the tires.
Yeah, it'll be dusty later.
Yeah,
All right, man.
blessed day.
Yeah, I'm gonna head out.
All right.
Take it easy, bro.
All right, you too.
Yeah, so there's the lake right there. I think you do some fishing on there. What's that guy doing with this? You see some interesting stuff around here. Around Christmas time, they put lights up all around here so you could drive through it, see everything. Another parking area down there. Go check that out. But I don't like going down there because there's usually too many birds, too many ducks, too many seagulls or gulls. I would love to take the drone over here, but I can't fly it unless I have the license because I'm just too restricted airspace because the base is just like right over there. Say, look at all this bird poop. Yeah, people fishing over here for sure. Where's this guy going? Look at you. Yeah, I'm following you. I'd like to bring a hammock over here. Put in those trees or something. Yeah, might have to do that. I'm gonna be recording video all the time. I record video every time I go out. I started doing it at the beginning so I could critique myself, and then now I just do it because like I feel like I have to, like it's good luck or something. But I'm gonna upload videos whether anybody's watching or not, because I gotta do something with this stuff. There is something I want to check out over here. Yeah. Look, that thing up ahead. What is that? Can I bring my bike up there? Should I bring my bike up there? Nah, I better not. Yeah, look, what is that, guys? What is that? Doesn't that look spooky if you're coming through here at night or something? What is this? Okay, so there's no plaque or nothing? What am I looking at? There's no plaque or anything to describe what I'm looking at. Radolph Rose Collection. Doesn't that look like Rolls Royce or something? 15 out of 30. So there's 30 of these made. This is number 15. But what it represents, Miracle League Field. Huh. Interesting. Ooh, they got swings. I like swings. Yeah, I ain't been on one of these forever. Yeah, let's have a look. Yeah. Alright. Woohoo! Yeah. Alright. Whoa. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Cool, huh? Had to do it. It's been too long. I wonder if I could flip all the way over. Hope I don't break this thing. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, let's see if we can get some prairie dog action. Wow, prairie dog thing. But yeah, where this part they got some museums too. Yeah, I got a couple little museums over here, although I haven't checked them out yet. I should go in there and video it. But yeah, I got one over there, one on this corner over here, Comanche National Museum and Cultural Center. So one back in that corner. Then I got this one over here, and Visitor Center. Then of course they got this one over here, the Museum of the Great Plains. Haven't been in there yet. These are places I still need to check out. I haven't been in this area very long. Then we got who does that look like? That looks familiar. Major General Henry Ware Lawton, 1843 to 1899. Well, I guess this is where the name Lawton came from. From him? Henry Ware Lawton. That's him. General. Or Major General. Cool. Yeah, they got a lot of little statues and little monuments and stuff like that over here at this part. Look at this up ahead. That looks cool, don't it? I don't think you go inside just yet. That looks cool. I want to live in that. Bison La France. What the? By Robert Dean. In memory of Arthur Kavanaugh. 2005. That looks cool. I think it's big. Huge. Yeah. Alright, let's get out of here. No trucks. I'm not even sure if I can be on this thing. Is this a path or a road? I can't tell. But a bunch of cars up there. Yeah, look at that. Grain looks pretty cool. I don't know, that slide looks kind of small to me though. What do you guys think? Definitely a kiddie slide. Look at all these prairie dogs. There's a bunch of them. See if we get some in action. Some video. Yeah, it's not a bad park, guys. I mean, look at the size of it. Pretty big. Once they get that all finished, it's gonna look it's gonna be pretty cool. You guys are in town, stop by here, check it out. Like I said, it's family friendly. It's pretty nice. Should be even better when they finish up the little water park thing. But yeah, I will be adding more videos. I record, like I said, every time I go out, so if you guys are interested, definitely check back, subscribe, like. If you got any comments, if you got any questions about the bike or anything, just post them below. Definitely check them, definitely try to answer them. But other than that, guys, catch you all later. Stay safe out there.